This video will demonstrate how you can add a background song to your VR tour. Okay, to add a background song, first go to your VR tour and go to list tour. So you go to the VR tour that you want to add the song to. Okay, so for this instance, I'm adding to this one. So I click on edit and click on content. Okay, over here you see song. Okay, so you click on here, browse. So you will look for a song that is MP3 and below 1 MB. Okay, so this one is MP3, is 0.97 MB. So we can upload this. We open it. Okay, after you open, you click upload. Okay, so you can preview the song here. You click save first, then go back to list tour. After you do your VR tour, click on it, then go to editor UI. So after go to editor UI, you see this icon over here. Okay, click on this one. Make sure the show is checked, and then you can choose the color that you want. Okay, so for hover color, I choose darker orange. For the original color is light orange. So you see over here, when I hover over, it will change to darker orange. When I hover my mouse away, it shows light orange. Okay, so you can auto play, or you can wait for the user to click on it and play. If you disable the auto play, then the user will need to click on the icon in order to play the background song. So for this, we just put enable auto play. Okay, you can also choose enable without pop-up, but I'll just enable it. So when the user come to here, it will auto play. Okay, click here, click save, go to list tour again, then we go to publish. Then we go to our link here. You can use your default link or your friendly link, they are the same. Okay, so let's go to friendly link, click open. Okay, so now okay, so this is how you add a background song to your VR tour.